Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the issue of not receiving verification code in WhatsApp app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get started with you. And first of all, you're going to need to open settings on your device. After that, scroll through the settings until you find the app option. Open the app, then open the list of apps, and in the search box to find it faster, just type in the word WhatsApp. Click on the app in question. After that, I recommend that you stop all actions on this app first by clicking here. Next, when this is done, you will go to the vault. In the vault, you will need to clear the cache and clear your data and vault. Once you've done that, go back to the WhatsApp app settings and come to the permissions already. Here in permissions, you will need to enable absolutely all permissions, all items. So, for example, go to Contacts Pause and enable this option. Do the same with music or audio. Do the same with notifications, photos, videos, calls, and so on. If, friends, these steps unfortunately didn't work for you, then go to your Play Store and then go to the search box. Also type in WhatsApp. Next, go to the app, and if it tells you here that this app needs to be updated, then make sure to update it. This may help to fix your problem. If even that doesn't solve your situation, then friends, you will need to reboot your device. For this, you usually need to press the power button as well as the sound button at the same time. Or you can press and hold the power button only, and then you'll need to press the red button to reboot your Android. And after that, I think your problem will be fixed. These are the ways you can fix the issue of unreceived verification code in WhatsApp continuation. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to write your comments, also put likes under the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.